welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day before I have to go back to school for winter break, and I started my morning off a little late. It is 11:39 right now. I went to bed pretty late last night, and which I said I was gonna go to bed earlier. I was supposed to go to bed at 12 o'clock, but I lost track of time, and now we're here. Technically just reset my whole day. So right now I'm just starting with my Bible study. So then after I'm done that, I will find something to do. Now I'm done with my Bible study, and I have decided that I'm going to eat breakfast. Oh, well, not breakfast. It's 12:11. So I'm gonna go eat some lunch. I'm gonna change, and I'm going to obviously take off this bonnet, and then I'm going to eat something. So I just took off my bonnet, and I actually did my hair, guys. I'm very proud of myself. See the heart? Yeah, she's very cute. So I'm
Il est tombé derrière le canapé. Mais c'est pas possible.
I'm gonna enjoy my food, and then I'll come back. So after that, I have to clean my room, my bathroom, like re-clean it. Like I cleaned it this weekend, but like I need to clean it again. So yeah. I actually have a vocab quiz in like 2 days, so I need to study for that. And there's like 54 words. I already wrote down one whole page here and then just a little bit here. I only have a few left. I'm pretty sure I'm like 48 out of 54, so I'm just gonna like revise half of it. Oh, I have to do band. I have to do my band stuff. So then after my band stuff, I seriously do need to read. I keep saying that I need to read and I end up not reading. I need to read because actually these filler words that I'm using in my vocabulary is not okay. And I don't want to use them anymore. So I need to take out words and add in like bigger words that have more meaning and that are more specific. I'm gonna go do that. So hey guys, I just finished studying my French. I got pretty much everything done. The ones I have 5 things that don't stick very well. 5 out of 54. Pretty good, I think. I think. But yeah, I will go over them tomorrow after school. Hopefully I'm not too tired to do that, because after tomorrow there's the next day and then I have one more day to study, and then the day after that, I think on the Thursday, we have the vocab test. So, and I'm sure we also will probably have a test either tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, on the 7th, which is the Wednesday. So yeah, we'll probably have a test then. But I just finished studying for my French, and now I'm gonna go do my band. Today we're working on Procession of the Nobles, Nostalgia. So Procession of the Nobles is 104 BPM. So I'm gonna start at 80 because I can barely even do the first part, because I don't remember how it goes actually. Okay, next song. I'm done. I'm done. So I just took my shower and I just sent all my YouTube videos to all my friends, and now they're all responding. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go warm up my dinner and I'm gonna eat it. Yum yum, eat it up. And then I'm gonna watch some YouTube and then going to bed? Question mark? Yeah, that's what I'll do. For dinner tonight, I'm having jollof rice and chicken. My rice, guys. This is what I'm eating for dinner. Very yummy, very grateful. Just a little thing that I want to say right now. As Gen Z, I am trying to build up my attention span and my patience, because the way that like the dopamine, like how your phone gives you a dopamine rush. I'm trying to find things that give me a slow dopamine rush, like just a little bit, and taking joy in that, and that being my medium, that being my normal, and like get away from my phone. I'm done eating my food, and I'm now just gonna go do the dishes. I'm gonna go make my lunch real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go. So here's my Notion. This is the first thing that you see once you log into my Notion. So here I just have my new page name, productivity, discipline, and prayer. And then here I have my morning routine. And then I have my homework. And then it's just a toggle. I have my night routine, basic. This is for school, obviously. And then for studying, here I just have my study ratios, and then I have my study techniques. The way I did this, I went here, and then I scroll down, and then I click gallery view, and then just to get the photos here, I just put it in the page. You could put it on the banner, but I just decided to put it in the page. And then here's my outfits. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow. But I'm not wearing the exact same thing, but something like it. So I just have it planned out and everything. And then next, I have my workout. Very cute. But I don't use this at all anymore. I don't even know why I have it. I just kept it because sometimes I do it, but sometimes I don't. And then I have my book list. My to-do list is very summer coded. I got this font, these random fonts. I actually went on Pinterest and I searched for aesthetic bio decorator. And if you just click any link on there when you search it up, it works. So you just copy it. You don't have to pay, it's just a website. And then I have my YouTube. I also use the gallery pages here as well. My video ideas. And then I have my cameras here and the cameras that I'm going to get. Then I just have all my Bible verses that I want to memorize. And I purposely didn't put the scripture underneath so that I can go into my Bible and search it up. And then I have all my habits and everything. And then I have my goals, which we're not going to talk about. But I really like this page. I find it cute. So yeah, I think my favorite page out of all of them would probably be my school page because it's just so aesthetic and it's so cute. I've been using Notion since grade 7, I think. Yeah, since grade 7 I've been using Notion. And it has helped me a lot with organizing stuff. Again, I have my regular calendar app, but I have my to-dos on there. I know today was kind of like a very chill vlog, but I just wanted to, just show you guys day in the life with me. What? So I forgot to make an outro again. So it's Future Isabella speaking now. Hey. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. And make sure to subscribe and to like, and I will see you in my next video.